Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and subscribe. We are out here at downtown Kansas City. We have a leaning retaining wall here that is pretty severely leaning towards us. So what we're doing right now, we are saw cutting on the back side to relieve pressure off of this wall. We're going to excavate down, and then in between the blocks right here, we are going to be installing 7 King Pier 2s underneath whatever footing this retaining wall is setting on, and then we're just going to slowly raise it back to its correct level elevation and make sure it's vertical. So today we are getting everything saw cut, broken up, so we can start our excavation. Should be able to have most of that done, we're hoping, by the end of the week, and then next week we should be ready to start putting the steel in the ground. Once we have the backside saw cut and excavated, we will come in here later today with some support beams and just keep this wall supported and try to tilt it back vertical before we put the piers in. So got a lot of saw cutting and breaking up of the existing asphalt we need to do, so stay tuned for more updates. We're just now getting started out here in Kansas City, so make sure to check in on all the updates for this project as well as all of our other current and past jobs. If you just search for King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook, you can find hours of videos throughout the years of the various projects we've done. This is going to be a very cool before and after, so I really want to make sure that you can see how badly this is leaning towards this lower parking lot. So yeah, stay tuned. King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.